Hello, class 12 students. Welcome once again to Math is Possible. And today I am going to continue your video. In the last class we had done only 2 questions. Now we are going to do the next questions. I have done till question number 13. Now I am going to start question number 14 and we'll do as many questions as we can. Okay. So question number 14 part 1. Okay. So let's start with question number 14 part 1. Everybody look. Okay. So we are to prove, it's saying using the determinants, prove that 1 plus a, b, c, a, 1 plus b, c, then a, b, 1 plus c is equal to 1 plus a plus b plus c. Okay. You have to prove this. So look at this very carefully and look at your RHS. A plus b plus c plus 1. So you can see 1 plus a is already here. B plus c, if you do, you will get that. So this is column 1 element, that's column 2, that's column 3. So do this operation. Column 1 tends to column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. So when you perform this operation, what do you get? You get 1 plus a plus b plus c, 1 plus a plus b plus c. See, a, b and c and 1 is here. A, b, c and 1 is there. So that is 1 plus a plus b plus c. Then that is b, 1 plus b, b, rest is all copied, c and 1 plus c. See? Now take out common. Take out this as common. 1 plus a plus b plus c, and then you're left with 1, 1, 1. Rest is all copied. B, 1 plus b, b, c, c, and 1 plus c. Okay. So you see, you're getting this part. Only thing is that you have to get this determinant equal to 1, and then you'll get this. Okay. So the next operations that you're going to do is what? You're going to do, make these two zeros or these two zeros, whatever you like. I'm going to make these two zeros. So row 1 minus row 2 is going to give me this 0, and row 2 minus row 3 is going to give me this element as 0. So row 1 tends to row 1 minus row 2, first one this, and row 2 tends to row 2 minus row 3. That's the second operation. So now the determinant changes to this is 0, this is 0, this is 1. This minus this minus 1 minus b. My plus b minus b cancel. This is the minus 1. Minus 1. Now this minus this. So plus b minus b cancels. That's just a positive 1. The rest, the down part is just copied. So copy it. This minus this is going to give me a 0 here. This minus this is going to give me a minus 1. See, this and this got cancelled. A minus 1 is left. Because c minus 1 minus c plus c minus c got cancelled, minus 1 is left. Okay. So that is your final thing. Oh, I forgot to multiply that. You can write it over here. A plus b plus c. Okay. Doesn't matter. You multiply here, you multiply here. It means the same thing. It's multiplied. If you forget to write this in front, write it at the back over here. Okay. So let's go ahead. Now what do? Now simply expand with this column and this row. Okay. So this column and this row expand with. So cover them up, and then multiply. So the determinant is 1 plus a plus b plus c. This into this is plus 1 into 1, and that into that is 0. Don't write. So that is 1 plus a plus b plus c. You have proved it. That is proved. Okay. Let's go on to the next question. Question number 14 part 2. Students, question number 14 part 2. Okay. So 14 part 2 is saying a plus x yz, prove. This is also prove that. Okay. PT. Prove that. Copied wrong. First only I have copied wrong. that is, no, I didn't. I don't understand how, what am I looking at? Yes, a plus x. Then x, a plus y, and obviously z over here. Yes, x, y, a plus z. X, y, and a plus z. This you are supposed to prove is equal to a square, a plus x plus y plus z, a plus x plus y plus z. Okay. Look at this. Look at your right hand side. Every time you have to keep looking at your right hand side before proving. Where am I going to get this x plus y plus z plus a? So look at this. This is a plus x is already given, y plus z. Okay. A plus x is already there. Y plus z you have to add. So do this C1 to C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C1. You can write anywhere. All of them are getting added. Okay. Anyhow you can write it. Okay, that is a plus x plus y plus z. Again, a plus x plus y plus z. All positive, doesn't matter the placement. Okay, the placement does not matter. Wherever they are okay. Okay, y, a plus y, y, z, z, a plus z. Okay, finally we are left with this. Take out the first common element from the first column. Okay, now 1, 1, 1, y, a plus y, y, z, z, sorry, a plus z. Okay, look at it, that is a z, that's not a 2. Z, those of you who are in foreign, actually now you call it z, z's, z, z, anything, okay, doesn't matter. The mathematics matters actually. Now, what do? Same thing, row 1 minus row 2, row 2 minus row 3. Okay, so the row 1 tends to row 1 minus row 2. Alright, and the row 2 is going to be as row 2 minus, sorry, row 3. Okay, that's R, that is an R. Okay, so subtract it, write the determinant, then write a plus x plus y plus z, that was taken out as common. Now this minus this is 0, this minus this is 0, and the thing is copied. This minus this, y minus a minus y gone away, minus a is left. This 0, this and this, y and minus y got cancelled, plus a is left. This and this is going to give me a minus a. Check it out in the rough. You can do in the rough. Okay, y, and this is a plus z. Okay. Next, expand with the third row first column. Third row first column, multiply now those two elements and get your answer. That is a plus x plus y plus z, and that is a into a is a squared. The rest of the thing is just a 0, and this is proved. I told you this is multiplied. You can write this a square here, you can write this a square over here. It means the same thing. Okay, you have proved what you are supposed to prove. Okay, that's the answer, that's the proving. Let's go on to the next question. That is question number 14 part 3. Okay, next question students, question number 14 part 3. So what is question number 14 part 3? Question number 14 part 3 is this. It is saying prove that, again prove that, obviously prove that y plus k y plus k and y here, then y plus k and y over here, y here, and of course y plus k. This is the pattern is going as, and this is equal to k square, that is 3y plus k. Okay, now look at the RHS. Look where you are getting 3 y's. 3 y's, 1 2 3 y over here, y plus y, column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3, also row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. Let's change the pattern now. Let's do something else. Row 1 tends to row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. We had started with column 1 every time, but over here we can see the row operations is also happening. Okay. So when this type of thing happens, you can do anything: column 1, column 2, column 3, or row 1, row 2, row 3. So write this as the delta. So this is 3y plus k, again 3y plus k, and 3y plus k. Okay, you're doing in the exam, you have to do fast. Okay, y k plus, sorry, y plus k. You can write k plus y also, doesn't matter. Y and y plus k. Okay, so the 3y plus k is common from the first row. Take it out and write it outside the determinant sign. Okay, so write it. That is 3y plus k came out. This is 1 1 1. This is y, this is y. This one is y plus k. This one is y. This is y, and this is y plus k. Okay, that's what you have to prove. Don't get confused. Now what do? Make any of them 0. Any one. There are 3 ones. Make any 2 0. Okay, so what do you do now? The next thing that you are supposed to do over here is column 1 tends to column 1 minus column 2. Okay, and column 2 tends to column 2 minus column 3. So perform these two operations and get your answer. You will get your answer, don't worry. Okay, very easy question actually. So if you do column 1 minus column 2, you get a 0 here. Column 2 minus column 3, you get a 0 here. Copy this. First column you're done with. Now this minus this. Okay, this minus this, y and y got cancelled. You got a minus k. Now this minus this, y and y got subtracted, and you just got a positive k. This minus this is going to give you a 0. This minus this is going to give you a negative k. Check it out. Y and y plus k. Okay, that's your determinant. Now you expand with this row and this column, which means you cover this out and multiply whatever is left. So I missed to write that 3y plus k. I'm writing it over here. Doesn't matter, you can write it there. I just told you. Okay, now multiply this. This is k square, and that is 3y plus k. See, this is 0. Okay, so you got your answer. You have proved it. So write proved and be proud of yourself. Okay, that you have done this question. Okay, let's go on to the next question. So next question is question number 4, 14 part 4. So there are 4 parts in question number 14. That next is question number 14 part 4. So question number 14 part 4. Question number 14 part 4 is same thing. Prove that x plus 4 2x 2x, x plus 4 2x 2x, x plus 4 is actually in the diagonal. Okay, I saw that. So everywhere else it's 2x. Okay, 2x 2x 2x, and that is equal to 5x plus 4 and 4 minus x whole square. Okay, that is a square. That is a square. Now start. Don't wait for me. Start. Look at your RHS. So don't look at that. Okay, don't look at that. You'll never understand. Look at that part. This part of your RHS. 5x, x plus 2x plus 3x, 5x. So look, or x plus 2x plus 3x, whichever you like. I'm going to do column. Column 1 tends to column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. So let's do that. So now I'm getting over here as 5x plus 4. Yes, here also 5x plus 4, and here also 5x plus 4. Rest is all copied. 2x 2x, x plus 4, 2x 2x here, and x plus 4 here. Okay, that's the next step. No problem, I rubbed it off. I still know what I have to prove because the first part is already done. 5x plus 4 came out 1 1 1, then 2x 2x, then x plus 4, then 2x, then 2x, then x plus 4, all copied. Okay, that's why you can do it very quickly. Next, do row 1 minus row 2, row 2 minus row 3. You see, when you start with column, the next step you have to do is row. When you start with row, the next step you have to do is with column. Okay, now do R1 tends to R1 minus R2, and the next one do, and R2 tends to R2 minus R3. Okay, do these two operations and get your answer quickly. So that is 5x plus 4. Don't forget to write that. I keep forgetting, but if you forget, write over there. 0 0. Now R1 minus R2. So R1 is this and this is R2. So 2x minus x minus 4. So that is x minus 4 over here. Okay. Now this minus this is 0. Then this minus this is 0. This minus this is x plus 4 minus 2x, 4 minus x. Okay. This minus this is again x minus 4. Okay. Now this is 2x and this is x plus 4. Rest is all just copied. So now you're left with what? This into this. Okay. So 5x plus 4 and x minus 4 into x minus 4 is x minus 4 whole square. But you still haven't proved it because the proving was 5x plus 4 and 4 minus x whole square. You have to prove 4 minus x square. X whole square. Okay. So what are you going to do now from here? Very simple, students. Watch this step. This is 5x plus 4. Put a curly bracket. Take out a minus sign common. If you take out a minus sign common, then this minus 4 becomes plus 4 and this plus x becomes a minus x, and square the whole thing. So this is basically what? What is this? This means minus 1 4 minus x whole square, isn't it? This means this, and we don't write the 1 over here. Minus 1. Now you square both of them. This is minus 1 whole square into 4 minus x whole square. So that's positive 1. This is 4 minus x whole square. You see, if you remember the indices law, m into n whole square is m square into n square. M is the minus 1 and n is this whole thing, 4 minus x. Okay. So now we have got our final answer, that is 5x plus 4 and 4 minus x whole square. Alright? Understood? Okay, understood. If you still have a doubt, expand that, expand this, or expand the positive one. Okay, you will understand what's happening. Alright? Next, question number 15. Next question is question number 15. Okay, let's start. So question number 15, it's given as a plus b plus nc, then nc minus c, then minus c, then na minus a, na minus a, and over here it's written nb minus b, and then this part over here we have b plus c plus na, and then we have na minus a, and then that side we have nb minus b, and what's that? I don't want to go wrong. C plus a plus nb, which you have to prove is equal to na plus b plus c whole cube. You have to prove it to that. Okay, look at the question. I know it looks very, very difficult. It looks confusing actually, but if you just look at your RHS, all your confusion will go away. Look at your RHS. It's a plus b plus c, right? Forget the cube. If you look at the cube, you're going to get confused more. Make it simple. A plus b plus c. If and an n is also there, So NA plus B plus C, if you do, you get NA plus NB plus NC. That is, if you take the N common out, again you get A plus B plus C. So what are they doing is they are taking out the N common. Okay. So let us look at this. Let us look at this. Look at this. This is A plus B. This is NC. This is NA. This is NB. If I do NC plus NA plus NB, then I get that part. Then I get like that, right? NA plus NB plus NC I get if I multiply the N. So let's do that. Okay. Let's do column 1 tends to column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. Let's perform this operation. Okay. So this is the determinant value. So now it becomes A plus B plus NC plus NA minus A plus NB minus B. I know this is going to get a little long, but only this part, okay? Next, NC minus B plus B plus C plus NA plus NB minus B, okay? Then NC minus C plus NA minus A plus C plus A plus NB. Did I miss something? NC, no, I don't think so. Now rest is all copied. NA minus B, B plus C plus NA, then NA minus A, NB minus B, NB minus B, and C plus A plus NB. Okay. Now I'm rubbing off that part, okay, because after this I have to go on top. I don't have I don't have space. I will get a big board, okay, that will do it nice, big, okay, but not now. So let's cut out what we don't need. A minus A and B minus B went away. So now we are left with NA plus NB plus NC. Next again, same thing. NA plus NB plus NC. Look, B and B went away. And I copied wrong here because this will be a C. Yeah, that will be a C. What happened? Column 1, this B plus C, and here I made a mistake. This one and this one was okay. So this and this got cancelled and this got cancelled. I made a mistake here. Don't worry about it. Okay, I corrected it. Then the C got cancelled and then the A's got cancelled. Now I didn't make a mistake there. So now you have NA plus NB plus NC. Basically, you have to understand what you're getting. Okay, this while you are checking, you will change it when you're doing the question in the exam. If you have the habit of checking what you did, you will definitely change it. Now NA minus A, this is NB minus B, because you see I'm doing from my work, so because I'm rubbing out and again I'm doing, so I don't have it in front of me, so I'm bound to make mistake, okay, because I don't have the previous part with me. So now what do? Now we take out common NA plus B plus C, take it out like this, okay, so that it matches that. Now you're left with 1, 1, 1. This part is rubbed off, don't get confused. This is gone away. This was the last part. So from here we have this. Book is getting dirty because of the duster. So now NA minus B, then B plus C plus NA, NA minus A, NB minus B, NB minus B, and C plus A plus NB. There is the next step. Now after this, make it 0, and make it 0. So the next step is row 1 tends to row 1 minus row 2, and row 2 tends to row 2 minus row 3. Alright. Okay, now row 1 minus row 2, this. So what do we have? What do we have? All correct. My copying should not go wrong, okay? That's fine. Now row 1 minus row 2. So let's see what's getting subtracted from here. Actually, that part is the other top, but I'm getting confused because of this. Yeah, now it's okay. This minus this minus this. So let's write it actually, otherwise you will also not understand because that's a big thing. So that is for row 1 minus row 2. So that is NA minus B minus C minus NA. Okay. Then that's a 0 because N, this minus this is 0. They are same terms. Okay. The next, what did I do? Why did I write this here? I'm supposed to write this on top. So that is NA minus B minus C minus NA. This is supposed to be on top because I'm changing row 1. Okay. Now let's change row 2. This minus this is 0. This minus this is B plus C plus NA minus NA plus A. Okay. All right. Now what are we going to get from here? Why are we getting 2 B's over here? We're supposed to get an A. We're supposed to get, okay, we're supposed to get an A over here. And why are we not getting an A over here? Where did I make a mistake? We're supposed to get an A over here, okay, because we're not getting an A. NA and A is getting cancelled. We're getting minus B, and we're supposed to get an A over here. Made a mistake somewhere on top. It was NA minus A, yes. Please do change it. It is all printing mistake. It's all my printing mistake. NA minus A. Make it like that. NA minus A, this minus this minus this. Okay. Then this one, all positive. This positive. That and that is 0. And from here, what do we have? We have NB minus B minus C minus A minus NB. That is exactly what we need. Okay. The rest is all copied. This is NA minus A and this is C plus A plus NB. Okay. That's all copied. Alright, now let's cut out what we don't need over here. NA and NA is gone away. From here, NA and NA is gone away. Actually, we don't need this part. NB and NB is gone away. Okay. So now, let's write it properly. So that was my last step. After that, I made the changes. After that, what was that? N A plus B plus C. Now 0 0 1 0 0 1. This is, take out a minus sign now. This is A plus B plus C, and from here we have A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. Here this is a 0. Again, this is also minus A plus B plus C, and this is NA minus A and C plus A plus NB. Okay. C plus A plus NB, right? Yes. Now finished. Cover this column and cover this row and solve your question. That is N A plus B plus C this into this got multiplied, minus minus became positive, and that became whole square. A plus b plus c whole square. So this into this is n a plus b plus c whole cube. So this is the value of the determinant, and you have proved it proudly. Okay, my students, that's it for today. Question number 15, last question for today. In the next class, we will do question number 16, we'll do question number 17, and so on, and we'll carry on. Okay, so take as much help as possible from my channel as possible. See you in the next video.